Hey everybody, it's Marissa from Krietz Customs with another Krietz Customs build. Here beside me I have a 2017 Chevy Silverado 2500HD LTZ crew cab, and we're going to take a look at what the specs of what Krietz Customs has added to this. Your lift is going to be a 6.5-inch BDS suspension lift along with some Fox shocks. The wheel and tire package is going to be an American Force Power SS wheel. It is a 22x12 with a -25 offset. It's a clean looking wheel. Paired with your tire is a Nitto Ridge Grappler, a 37-13-50-22. Your fender flares are going to be your rough country pocketed fender flares, and they are painted to match the vehicle. Your running boards are going to be the factory running boards, and we can definitely switch those up for you if you choose to do so. If you guys like this vehicle, make sure you check out our lifted inventory at KreitzAuto.com. The stock number is 147702. And if you want to build your truck like this, make sure you shoot us a message on Facebook at Krietz Customs, or even check out our gallery at KreitzCustoms.com.